Donnelly Queen, Donnelly Queen, Donnelly Queen, Donnelly Queen, Donnelly Queen, Donnelly Queen, go. Donnelly Queen, Donnelly Queen, Donnelly Queen, Donnelly Queen, Donnelly Queen, Donnelly Queen, go. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
We have made it. The bus ride, which was about 10-15 minutes through the forest. We've made it to the trailhead. Now we will walk. Well, we are walking on the path. What do we call these? Razorbacks. We're walking down the Razorback path to come to the waterfall. I can hear them.
That's so easy to go down. I wanna see going up. Come back. Here.
And here we come. You waited all these hours for this. This is one of the trails. There are multiple trails, honey, in 3 different countries. This is one of the trails in Brazil. They say the best trails to get the closest is in Argentina.
That's Campbell's place.
Mike says it's not worth it. Now you can feel the pool. At the bottom of one of the trails. There are multiple trails in Brazil and then in Argentina and Paraguay, I believe. Don't scare the crocodiles. Don't scare the crocodiles. Don't scare the crocodiles. I made it to the top of the trail. Well, the bottom of the trail, or the top. Here's one outlook. There are 270 individual waterfall cliffs. This is just one view in Brazil. There are more views in Brazil and more views in Argentina. Across over there, there's a bridge you can walk out. I believe on the Argentinian side. Following this trail for so far about a half an hour in the 90 degrees. And the water never stops. It's between 90 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit here at the waterfalls. And the mist is not cooling me off. This is sweat. You see perspiration on me. I think you can see the mist, but not the waterfalls. wait in a long line here, trailing, to get your photos taken at the lookout spot. But Mike and I are choosing not to do that. It's a long wait. It's better to just stand right here and perspire and feel sort of a breeze. It's between 90 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit. It's the summertime of the southern hemisphere. This water looks very inviting. There is a spot somewhere in these waterfalls where swimming is allowed. I don't know where. The other side of the river is Argentina from Brazil. We are cooling off at the end of the waterfall trail with ice cream and chocolate. Very good. Very good. For a few $100s, I think, or for a few hundred reais at least, you can ride those boats out there into the river up close to the mist. But we just did the $20 bus ride up to the trail. On the Brazilian side, overlooking to the Argentinian side. I believe that's Argentina. Here we are, walking on the bridge across the river. Let's just hope Brazilian engineers know what they're doing. Worth the hike, the 1 hour hike, and the 90-degree weather. It's worth it to come here and get wet. Now I'm very wet, but not from sweat, from mist. We're at the bottom on the river, on the lookout, and it's very crowded here. We are standing on top of the river. There's a bridge, a walkway, and I'm very wet. And so is Mike. We are very wet from sweat and from waterfall mist. I don't know if you can see the rainbow, but I can. I don't know if the rainbow is coming through the camera or not, but there's a rainbow on the water. Right here, I'm remembering the rainbow in front of the waterfall. Hey, we got a little wet, didn't we? Mike, we got a little wet? We got a little wet at the waterfalls. I was soaked with perspiration, and now I'm enjoying the cold shower My clothes are totally soaked through.
Let's go.
Well, we made it. It was over an hour to walk on the trail that was leading down, all the way down to the waterfall. I'm soaking wet from sweat and then all of the mist on the river. And now we're on the top again at the end of the trail waiting for the bus right next to the river. It's quite lovely. It says right here on the sign, take a deep breath and enjoy the nature, in Portuguese and English. Take a deep breath and feel the smell of nature. That's one way to put it. Feel the smell. And right here, we're at the riverfront. It was a beautiful outing this afternoon. Mike and I questioned whether it was worth $40 for the two of us, but it was, to walk in the mist and see the rainbows.